Concentric Industries presents the first wave, 6 strategic dispatches to Affluent Wealth Managers, May 2024. Who is Concentric? With our unprecedented Swiss Army knife of 22 stewardship tech patented systems offered in a complete FCOM construct, which is engineer, finance, construct, operate, and maintain, Concentric Industries is representing the future of energy, food, air, and water for the whole world. We convert everyday fuels and wastes in pure processes, totally pollution-free. That's right. With Concentric, our systems are simultaneously more profitable and cleaner. Effective immediately, the economy versus ecology debate is obsolete. Welcome to the multi-trillion-dollar play of the ages. Because you never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. Concentric Industries is the future, and it starts today. But make no mistake, Concentric Industries is not new. Our organization has a 33-year track record of designing and building award-winning projects, large-scale power generation, water treatment facilities, food processing systems, all with state-of-the-art low emissions and high efficiency for clients all around the world. Concentric Industries is a purposeful development and a construct based on 3 decades of innovation in energy, food, air, and water. This brief presentation entails 6 strategic applications, ideally situated for affluent wealth managers. 2 in Kenya, 2 in Tanzania, 1 in South Africa, and 1 in Canada. And remember that these are all creating residual positive cash flows while cleaning up the environment. Of course, detailed pro forma are available, but first up is Nairobi, Kenya, the Dandora landfill that has had notorious challenges in personal safety and society sanitation for many decades. The Kamia no waste wasted system would produce 75 megawatts from the 1,500 tons per day currently brought into Dandora and eliminate these challenges. Total resolution, 0 emissions. There is a way, and it's way better. Next up, also in Kenya, in Thika at high elevation, is an existing coffee and avocado plantation in which we would add our patented dairy farm Sosco system with no emissions to create enhanced capital expenditures with great net operating earnings and return on investment under the Oros Land and Cattle operation as part of Kalos Food Holdings. And back to the Nautical Energy Alliance, the other main branch of Concentric Industries, and to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, for a classic natural gas turbine combined cycle power plant, 4 gas turbines and 2 steam turbines for a 256 megawatt addition, Kenyarizi 4 in Dar es Salaam, under Bushnell Thermodynamic, our award-winning combined heat and power systems. Again, 0 emissions, no pollution. Still in Tanzania, in the Tanga region at Tanga Dairy, who for years has been operating at less than 50% capacity, Concentric in one fell swoop will bring Tanzania's dairy industry back up to speed, helping the entire agriculture community throughout the entire nation. Again, no waste wasted, zero emissions, total conversion of all milk and waste products. And then we move along to South Africa at Richards Bay. South Africa is currently in massive electric power generation shortfalls. This would be a natural gas turbine combined cycle power plant, a 3-on-1 this time using Doosan Enerbility's strategic gas turbine equipment, and most likely Doosan Heavy Industries. Doosan Enerbility is a major general contractor for the project, first of many in South America. Again, Bushnell Thermodynamic and our advanced zero emissions natural gas conversion systems, this time for South Africa. And finally, back to Canada for the sixth and final project in this tranche at the Heartland Landfill in Victoria, BC. And we will also be resolving the sewage discharge into Puget Sound, as well as eliminating all municipal solid waste that's currently coming into Heartland in a classic, iconic project for the Pacific Northwest, United States to follow as we take Western Canada into the 21st century with a state-of-the-art project. And finally, the synopsis, which really gives the great rationale here numerically for why this is a great strategic alliance between Concentric and Affluent wealth managers. As you can see in this table, it lists out the capital expenditure, including the AWM commission, the 2% insurance payment required by Concentric, and then the net operating incomes and annual payment of the projected loan, yielding extraordinarily high debt service coverage ratios, allowing Concentric to advance in its business strategies with even further projects with Affluent wealth managers. And more importantly, the other great synergy is that even Dubai is a region where Concentric can be doing work. We have a strategic national partnership with the country of Oman, right next to United Arab Emirates. And on top of that, all of these other nations that are eligible under Affluent wealth managers systems are ideally suited to Concentric's current work scope. This is a great opportunity for all parties involved. And in conclusion, warriors build foundations to last. ESG stands for environment, social, and governance. It's a framework used by investors to evaluate a company's sustainability and ethical impact. ESG performance is only now being coined by the mainstream, and it is so vital that Concentric had the prescience to invest the last 3 decades setting the bar at unprecedented heights. No company with Concentric's global ambit and import has ever existed in world history until now, because we had the moxie to build foundations for the castles. Thank you, Affluent wealth managers, for providing a pathway for us to amplify our purpose and our strategies together. We will, with your assistance and with your benefit, go change the world together. Thank you.